Sawadee-ka! Hi everyone! Today let's make yam seafood or medley seafood salad. The flavor in this dish is very moderate, it's very average, so just add more chilies if you want it to be more spicy. Before we proceed with the video, give this video a like, share and subscribe to show your support. You can follow our work on YouTube and Facebook. Let's get started. Here are our ingredients. We have palm sugar syrup, or you can just do regular white sugar, fish sauce, MSG, fish balls, chilies, tomatoes, fresh lime juice, garlic, shallots, spring onion, celery leaves, and your seafood of choice. Make sure to cut your fish balls or cuttlefish balls or any kind of balls you're using in half before cooking. When it comes back to a boil, you can remove them and set them aside. Remove the shell and devein the prawns so that they are clean and look so much neater. We are going to cook the prawns and the squid until they are fully cooked. The seafood option is up to you. You can do mussels, cockles, fish fillet, or even crab meat. So many options. Remove them when they are fully cooked and set them aside. Let's make the dressing by combining all of the seasoning ingredients. We have fish sauce, then palm sugar syrup. This is basically palm sugar that I have dissolved, and I keep it in the fridge. It's very convenient to use for like a time like this. You can also do regular sugar syrup if you don't have this. Next is MSG. You can leave this out if you want to. Lastly, we have fresh lime juice. It's so much better to use fresh limes rather than bottled lime juice because of the acidity. This is so much fresher and the tang is really nice. Mix until the MSG has fully dissolved. When the dressing is well combined, add in your cooked protein, tomatoes, shallots, garlic, and chilies. The flavors of this recipe is moderate, it's just right, but you can taste test and adjust accordingly to your own liking. Add more chilies for more heat. Last final step, add in your greeneries. If you like, you can replace the celery leaves with coriander. Give it a mix once more and it's ready to be served. This is the final product of our Thai seafood salad. You can have this as an appetizer, have it by itself with plain rice. Now let's give this a taste test. Like I said, the flavors are here. Just add more sour, more fish sauce. Go have fun with it. That looks so good. Let's try. This is it. See you next time in the next Thai recipe video. Bye bye.